If you're looking for how GoTo Resolve integrates with other IT tools, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into GoTo Resolve integrations to see how well it works with other tools in the IT ecosystem. But stick around, because towards the end, we'll be talking about some really cool alternatives that might actually serve your needs better. You'll want to see them, especially if you're looking for a more seamless experience. So, let's start with the basics. GoTo Resolve is a popular IT management solution known for its remote support capabilities. However, integration with other IT tools can make or break how well it fits into your current workflow. The first thing you'll notice about GoTo Resolve is that it offers integrations with tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams. This is great for collaboration, but there are some limitations. The integrations are fairly basic. For instance, while you can open a remote session directly from Slack or Teams, that's pretty much where it stops. There's no deep synchronization with other aspects of your workflow, which can slow you down when you're managing multiple projects across platforms. Next thing to consider is the GoTo Resolve integration with ticketing systems. GoTo Resolve does integrate with tools like Jira and Zendesk, which is great for keeping track of support issues. However, the integration isn't as fluid as some might expect. You still need to do quite a bit of manual work to keep your ticketing system updated, and depending on your setup, this can lead to some double entry or miscommunication between teams. It's better than nothing, but far from perfect. The fourth thing worth mentioning is GoTo Resolve's integration with device management systems. You can link it to software like Intune or other endpoint management solutions, but there's a real lack of deep customization here. It's good for basic functionality, but if you need advanced device management features like automated updates or detailed reporting, GoTo Resolve may not meet your expectations. Now, let's talk about another biggie. It's cloud storage and file sharing integrations. GoTo Resolve supports platforms like Google Drive and OneDrive, but again, the connection is somewhat basic. You're able to access files and even share them during remote support sessions, but it lacks some of the advanced file management features you might find in other IT management tools. If you're handling sensitive data, this could be a deal breaker, especially when security and compliance are a priority. Finally, GoTo Resolve does have an API that can be used for custom integrations, which is a nice touch for advanced users. However, setting up and managing these integrations is not always intuitive. If you don't have dedicated IT staff, you might find this aspect of the software to be more trouble than it's worth. So, with all these integrations in mind, how does GoTo Resolve compare to other IT management solutions? While GoTo Resolve offers a lot of integrations, the depth and ease of use leave a bit to be desired. It's functional, but there are better options out there if you're looking for something that really integrates seamlessly into your workflow. And here's the kicker, I've found some alternatives that might actually be better suited to your needs. These tools not only offer more robust integrations with other IT systems, but they also provide better overall value, especially when it comes to things like automation, security, and user experience. And here's the best part, I've partnered up with these alternatives to bring you an exclusive and extended free trial. That means if you sign up through the link in the description, you'll get the best trial available with extra perks that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, if GoTo Resolve's integrations left you wanting more, these alternatives will impress. So, don't just settle for what you have. Check out the best free trial available through our link and explore some amazing alternatives that might be exactly what you need.